Yo, what's up, YouTube? Check this out. This is my pool. It's a very nice pool. It's a very cool pool. You know, I work hard keeping it clean. And a lot of times people go on YouTube and they tell you the right way to do some things. Try to keep it clean. Check that out. See how clear that, crystal clear that water is? That's right, crystal clear water. Well, when you're poor, you don't get to tell people about how you take care of a pool. See, my pool vacuum broke. And this is how you do it when you're poor. You zip tie that damn stick right there to the vacuum line. And that's how you vacuum your pool. In a couple hours, this pool will be clean. Some chlorine and pH and baking soda, and that's how you clean your pool when you're poor. Chlorine, baking soda, and zip ties right there. Heard it first.